Good morning, everybody. Not a whole bunch to update you on this week. Honestly, the biggest thing is grading for the fourth quarter. Your grade for the fourth quarter, from my understanding, that what information that's been passed down to us from our principals and the district is that you guys will not be getting a updated grade essentially for fourth quarter because we can't really evaluate what you know. We can't give you guys tests or anything, so your grade for fourth quarter will be your third quarter grade. Pretty much. I am grading individual assignments, and by grading, I'm not really using the IB scale. I'm giving you a not satisfactory, satisfactory, or kind of a grade in the middle. A 0 on any assignment in Google Classroom means that you did less than about 50% of the assignment, or honestly, really, you just didn't even try it. Like, you might have typed in one or two things, but for the most part, you didn't do anything. A 1 means you did anywhere from a small amount of effort to about 80–90% of the whole assignment. So you mostly completed it, but there were some things that you were missing. And a 2 is a fully completed assignment. Some people have gotten 3s for things. A 3 is if you go above and beyond. That means you did the challenges. That means you actually went through and did some really good thinking on stuff. If you got a 3, great job. The way I'm using those grades is you guys are going to have a weekly grade out of 4, essentially. And it's really easy for you to come up with. I'm not going to post the actual out of 4 grade anywhere. All you guys are going to do is just look at your 2 grades for the week, your Monday grade, your Wednesday grade, and you're going to add them up. If you get a 3 out of 4, you don't have to worry about anything. I'm not going to be hounding you for things. I'm not going to be annoying you about it. You did awesome. If you got a 3 out of 4, great job. If you got anything less than a 3 out of 4, like a 1 or a 2 or a 0 out of 4, that's when I might start to just say, hey, how's it going? How can I help you? How can I support you and stuff? Not to shame anybody into doing stuff or anything like that. Really just to make sure you guys are on top of things and have the resources you need, internet, computer, knowledge, stuff that you need in order for me to help you out better and see if I can't help you out. So if you get a again less than a would I say a 3 out of 4, less than a 3 out of 4, a 0, 1, or 2 for the week, then bad. If you get a 3, a 4, or anything above that, you can get a 6 technically out of 4 if you get 3 out of 4s or 3 out of 2s for both assignments. But if you get a 3, 4, 5, or 6, then great job. Okay, continue to push yourself, continue to challenge yourself. I put the challenges as optional only really because, and I'm probably going to change that word, but I only put it as optional because it might not be something that you've learned, it might not be able to, something you can do without help, but you should always try those. Okay, completing them is another thing, but I'm going to ask you to always put effort into those things, the challenges. If they were there just as an extra thing, then why would I even put them there? So always do your best on it. It's just not something I'm expecting you to be able to do based on what I've taught you. It goes above and beyond what you've learned, if that makes any sense. You should be able to figure it out, but again, if you're putting your 45 minutes in a day, hour in a day, really 45 minutes is what I ask you to do each day. If you put it in, you can't get it, totally fine, drop it, leave it, but try them. Okay, so I hope you guys are again doing well. I had a couple people show up on Thursday of last week for help. I'll be doing that again on Friday of this week. It'll always be Friday unless we don't have school on Friday. Friday from 11 to 3. Okay, so again, hope you guys are doing well. Miss you guys, love you guys, and if you need anything, please let me know. Talk to you soon.